So today I'm going to be reviewing 10 U hairpins for any occasion, wedding, styling your hair. You can style straight hair, you can style kinky hair with it. So let's get started with the styling. I'm just gonna take the hair. Next, I'm gonna take the hair, I'm gonna loop it around my hand like this, kind of create a messy bun. And then I'm gonna get the hairpin. I'm using a golden one, this golden one. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna use it to hook the hair. So I'm hooking the hair from inside and I'm hooking it in to help secure and hold the bun. So you see how it just secures it really nicely by using this. This is the silver one. Now I'm gonna get this pin. I'm gonna put this pin on top of the hair like this, and I'm gonna take my rod and I'm gonna walk the rod in to the bun. I'm gonna work it out and I'm gonna pass it into the bun again like that to create this elegant looking hair. And it's so cute, it's so beautiful, it's so secure, and I absolutely like it.